Princess wakes up. Early one beautiful morning, Princess Lily slowly opened her big brown eyes. Warm golden sunlight entered her royal bedroom through the tall castle windows. The little princess stretched her arms and smiled happily as tiny birds chirped sweet songs outside. Today felt magical, and Princess Lily could not wait to explore the beautiful castle garden once again. Now it's time for getting ready. Princess Lily carefully brushed her long wavy brown hair and wore her sparkling pink princess gown. She gently placed her shiny silver crown on her head and looked into the mirror with a bright smile. The little princess twirled happily as her dress sparkled like glittering stars. She was finally ready for a wonderful adventure in the royal garden. The giant castle doors slowly opened, and Princess Lily stepped outside into the magical garden. Bright colorful flowers covered the garden paths, and beautiful butterflies danced gently in the air. The princess looked around in amazement as the cool breeze moved through her hair. Everything in the garden looked peaceful, colorful, and full of magic. Princess Lily walked toward a row of beautiful red roses. She bent down carefully and smelled the sweet flowers with a happy smile on her face. Tiny butterflies fluttered around the roses while the sparkling fountain made soft splashing sounds nearby. The princess loved how fresh and beautiful the royal garden felt in the morning sunshine. Suddenly, a group of colorful butterflies flew across the garden path. Princess Lily giggled with excitement and ran gently after them. Her sparkling pink dress flowed behind her as she twirled and laughed happily. The butterflies danced around the princess as if they wanted to play with her too. It was the happiest moment of her magical day. Princess Lily sat beside the garden fountain and held tiny seeds in her hands. Soon, little birds flew down from the trees and landed gently beside her. Some birds even sat carefully on her tiny hands. The princess smiled softly and spoke kindly to them while the birds chirped cheerful songs around the peaceful garden. As Princess Lily walked along the flower path, she noticed something small moving behind the bushes. It was a cute little white bunny hiding quietly among the flowers. The princess slowly knelt down and smiled gently so the bunny would not feel scared. Soon, the tiny bunny hopped closer to Princess Lily, and the two new friends happily played together in the garden. Princess Lily decided to have a magical tea party in the middle of the garden. A tiny pink table was decorated with cupcakes, cookies, and sweet tea. The little bunny sat beside her while colorful birds gathered nearby. Princess Lily laughed happily as she shared her pretend tea party with all her adorable animal friends under the bright sunny sky. As the day slowly came to an end, the sky turned orange and golden. Princess Lily stood beside the sparkling fountain and watched the sunset glow across the magical kingdom. Butterflies floated gently through the evening air while the castle shined beautifully behind her. The princess felt peaceful and thankful for her wonderful day in the royal garden. That night, Princess Lily stood on the castle balcony under the glowing moon and sparkling stars. She waved softly toward the quiet royal garden below. The little princess smiled warmly as the cool night breeze moved through her hair. After such a magical day filled with flowers, butterflies, and new friends, Princess Lily whispered softly, "Good night, magical garden." And the moral of the story is, kindness, love for nature, and caring for animals make the world a happier and more magical place.